Hey, what you doing?
I'm gonna let God fix it, because if I fix it, I'm going to jail.
I swear to God, this is some Missouri bullshit. Look, there's the sun. It's raining like a motherfucker. And I got a rainbow in my backyard. It touches down in my yard, y'all. Look, ain't no motherfucking pot of... I'm going out there. I need a motherfucking pot of gold more than anybody knows. Jesus Christ. Ain't no gosh damn pot of gold there. My phone is wet. Fuck me and my life, son of a bitches.
So I love the term alpha because in software engineering, an alpha is a very early version of software that is incredibly unstable and not safe to be released to the public. And in physics, you have alpha radiation, which is a type of radiation that has zero penetration ability, but if it does somehow get inside of you, it's going to cause long-lasting biological damage. So when someone's like, I'm an alpha male, I'm like, yes, you are.
Do ba 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 do.
A shortage of poultry. Oh, I'm really hot. You really got my ass.
You! Have you ever heard of a mountain chicken? Please don't hurt me. Have you ever heard of a mountain chicken? No? What do you think it looks like? Like a really big chicken? That's what I thought, but no! It's this motherfucker!
Hi. These are my cactuses. I put googly eyes on them. A lot of people are putting googly eyes on their cactuses nowadays. I think it's because cactuses are dangerous. Cactuses have pricklers that can stab you in your hands.
King Julian. La 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 la.
Get out of my house.
Do you like a banana?
Did I ever tell you my dad's last words to me?
Careful, son. I don't think the safety's on.
Before that!
Get your tongue off my door. Get it off my door. Next. Get your tongue.
Hi. Look at you. You all happy? Where have you been? Hi. We missed you.
Slick back.
No, slick back.
That's what I said. Slick back.
No, nigga, I'm a pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named Slick Back. Pimp named
Slick.
Autumn, quick. I got you something. Gotcha.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Gotcha.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Gotcha.
Lorna.
Justin!
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit! Ha! Turn that butter, homie. Get it!
Yoda, Frenchie, Yoda, Frenchie, Yoda, Frenchie, pug.
If you made it to the end of this video and you want to see more compilations that I've made, click on the playlist on my channel. Don't forget to credit all of the wonderful people who made these TikToks that I put together in this compilation. They put a lot of hard work on their videos and I want people to see it. If you want to see more of my work, I have my socials linked in the description of every video. Again, thanks for watching.